Hi guys, welcome to my fall 2022 apartment tour. Today I'm going to be sharing an overview of my living space. I do have videos on each room where we decorate together and I go into more detail on where everything is from. So if you haven't seen those videos, I will link them below, and I made a playlist so it's easy for you guys to find. But now I'm just going to play the music and let you enjoy the video. Thanks for watching. I thought I was going to switch up my centerpiece by the time the tour came around, but it's still the same. The only difference is I added the candle in my mug. I do like to display my mugs whenever I can. I know I have a lot of them, so and then I thought I was going to switch up the faux floral as well in the vase, but I kept it as is. I don't want to spend unnecessarily just for the sake of the video. And I am still very happy with the way things came out. had a eucalyptus wreath on this door, but I switched it out for this swag that I've had for a few years. I bought it from Walmart. It's probably seen better days, but I still like it. And if you saw my living room decorate with me video, you know I talked about this buffalo check pumpkin. It is one of my favorites, and I thought I wasn't gonna bring it out this fall, but I did. I found a spot for it right here on this Hobby Lobby wagon. Today is the first time you're visiting my channel. I wanted to say welcome. Thank you for stopping by, and I hope you consider subscribing to my channel. My channel consists of decorating for all seasons, all holidays. I like to do some shop with me's when I can and share hauls with you. And I've gotten recently into vlogging, and I am going to be doing some Vlogtober videos, hopefully. So I hope you guys stick around for that if those are the kind of videos you enjoy watching. And for those of you coming back, as always, thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you for your support, your comments, for sharing my videos. You guys mean a lot to me, and I really do enjoy YouTube, and this is a hobby for me. I do it more for a creative outlet, and I hope to continue and to grow. So thank you so much for the support as always. I'm going to share some clips of the decor at night. I do have some things that do light up, so I wanted to share that with you guys. And until the next time, guys, thanks. Bye.